History is full of epic rivalries. But today, we are triggering a collision across time that the world was never ready for. Welcome back to the workshop. This project is an absolute blast because it's a total clash of eras. Wood burning allows for so much texture. And getting the shading just right on those tiny gears next to the bold lines of the samurai helmet takes real patience. On the left, representing feudal Japan, we have a legendary samurai warrior. I've dialed in the settings to make sure the intricate plates of his traditional armor and the edge of his blade engrave with razor-sharp precision. But standing back to back with him is his ultimate challenger. A steampunk Victorian lady straight out of an industrial London timeline. Look at how the laser captures the contrast between his ancient steel and her mechanical brass gears. And there it is, steel meets steam on a single piece of wood. Which side are you backing in this time battle? Let me know in the comments, check out the quiz, and make sure to subscribe for more custom artifacts. Thank you very much for watching.